All right, welcome back. We are identifying the square root of 400. Okay, I really like this problem because it's really, it's a large number. And so, go ahead and pull out your calculator. We're going to go ahead and write on your separate sheet of paper the square root of 400. Okay, well, just go ahead. You're going to type in 400 in your calculator and just start dividing it by numbers you think that are divisible by 400. Okay, so 400 divided by 1, we know that's 400. 400 divided by 2, that's 200. Those are big numbers. So let's keep going. 400 divided by 3, that gives us a decimal. So that's 1.33.3. That's not a whole number. We want to look for whole numbers. 400 divided by 4, we get 100. I like that because 100 and 4 can be used to make the perfect square. All right, so we got 4 and we got 100. All right, we know that 4 is a perfect square, so we can go ahead and put a square root there. And let's see if we can break down 100 some more. So we're going to just do the same process with 100. 100 divided by 2. All right, we get 50. Let's keep going. 100 divided by 4. Okay, and then we get this here as well. And then we got 25. 25. All right, and then these are also perfect squares. So we got square root of 4, square root of 2, square root of 5. That's 2 times 2 times 5, which is 4 times, so this is 2 times 2 times 5. And everything got square rooted, so there's nothing on the inside, so the square root goes away. So that's 4 times 5, which is 20. All right, so this is the same process, except at the end, you are just going to subtract and add, okay? So you know how to add and subtract, so we're just gonna use those same knowledge and add our, square roots in it, okay? The cool thing is that these are perfect squares, right? Well, most of these are, okay? Well, we know the square root of 64, that is gonna be, if you put that in the calculator, that is gonna be 8. So we know that this turns to 8 plus square root of 36. So this is not a perfect square, so we have to break this one down. So let's actually break down the 36 first before we go in there, and I think you know the other one. So 36, 2 numbers we know that are divisible, that gives us a perfect square. I like to use 4 and 9, okay? 4 and 9 are both perfect squares, so we square root that. So then we're going to get 8 plus square root of 4 times square root of 9. That is 2 times 3, which is 6, minus, and then we know that this part is going to be, 7, minus 7. So 8 plus 6 minus 7, 7. All right, last one. So we got the square root of 36. So we just did this one actually. And we know that square root of 36 is just 6 times 6, right? So that just gives us 6. And then let me double check the other one because that was actually the same thing here. Yep, 6. All right, good job.